Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. So if you're a barbecue enthusiast and you're always on the go, Z-Grills has got something for you. They just came out with this compact, portable pellet grill called the Cruiser. It's great for tailgating, camping, or wherever you'd like to take it. I was fascinated by this little grill, so I decided to pick one up. Give it a whirl. Here's what I like about it. The Z-Grill Cruiser is a portable pellet grill that features an 8-pound pellet hopper and over 200 square inches of grilling space. The pellet grill features a digital temperature control with a range between 180 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an automatic auger system, which automatically feeds pellets into the incinerator so you don't have to babysit your grill. I love how compact and portable this grill is. At under 40 pounds and with heavy-duty latches to secure the lid, this grill can easily be lugged suitcase style to any sporting event, campground, or nearby park for an impromptu grill out or gathering. The best part about the grill is its digital temperature control. Like a propane grill, it allows you to set your desired temperature and the grill will automatically maintain and regulate it throughout the whole cooking cycle. There's lots of reasons to love this grill. Its painless portability, its propane grill-like ease of use, and its compact size make the Z-Grill Family Handyman approved. For more great products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.